you typed a mess. The AI answered perfectly, every single time. That is not magic, that is mathematics, and in the next 3 minutes, you will understand exactly how it works. First, forget everything you think you know about AI. AI does not understand language the way you do. It has no feelings, no memories, no common sense. What it has is a system called Natural Language Processing, NLP, the technology that converts your human words into something a machine can actually work with, pure numbers. Every word you type starts a chain reaction, and it begins with something called tokenization. When you send a message, the AI immediately breaks it into tokens, small chunks of text, sometimes whole words, sometimes fragments. Then each token gets converted into a vector, a list of hundreds of numbers that mathematically represents the meaning of that word. Picture a universe made entirely of coordinates. Every word has its own location in that space. Words with similar meanings sit close together. Dog and puppy are neighbors. Happy and joyful cluster side by side. This is called a vector space, and it is where language becomes geometry. The AI does not read your sentence. It navigates a mathematical map of meaning. So how does the AI actually build a response? It predicts the next word, then the next, then the next. Based on billions of real-world examples, the model calculates given everything. Before this moment, what word comes next? It is not retrieving a stored answer. It is generating language one high-probability word at a time. That is why AI can discuss any topic with confidence. It is not remembering, it is calculating. Take the word bank. Does it mean a riverbank or a financial institution? Humans use context to figure that out instantly. And so does AI using something called a context window. The AI does not just look at your word, it scans everything surrounding it. The words before, the words after, the structure of your entire sentence. It analyzes syntax, how the sentence is grammatically built. It analyzes semantics, what the surrounding words actually mean. And from that, it calculates the most accurate interpretation even when you spell something wrong, skip punctuation, or leave out words. That is why your messy typing still gets a perfect answer. The context fills the gaps. Everything you just learned, tokenization, vectors, probability, context windows, happens simultaneously across billions of mathematical parameters in milliseconds. AI language models have processed more text than any human could read in 10,000 lifetimes. And they compressed all of it into one extraordinary capability: pattern recognition at a scale the human mind cannot fully comprehend. It is not intelligence. It is not consciousness, but it is the most powerful pattern matching system ever built. Here is what happens every time you talk to an AI. 1. Your words are broken into tokens. 2 tokens become vectors numbers in mathematical space. 3. The AI predicts each word using probability. 4. A context window reads your full sentence to remove ambiguity. 5. Syntax plus semantics plus pattern matching produces a response that feels human, not magic, math. And now you know exactly how it works. Follow for more breakdowns of how AI actually works. Drop a comment. What did you think AI was doing before this video?